Hi kids, welcome to Playful Learn Babyboss. Today let's learn about washing hands. Why should we wash our hands? Every day our parents are asking to wash our hands. So why? Because of the germs. There can be many germs on your hands. So what are germs? Germs are tiny organisms, very tiny living things which you can't see, but they can make you very sick. So let's see what happens if we wash our hands. See here, I have taken a bowl of dirty water. Let's think the black particles are the germs. And I'm taking a soap. You can see it's a hand wash. So you can see I will put my finger in this dirty water. See, all the germs got stuck to my hands. You can see one more time. See. So now let's see what the soap can do. Let's apply some soap to my hands. See, I'm applying soap to this finger. And now I'm going to touch the water. Dirty water. See. See, you can see all the dirt and germs has just gone away. It's because of the soap. So I think now you understood why we need to wash our hands. See? So kids, start washing your hands every day. So what's the process? First we need to wash our hands with water, then soap. As you can see, you should wash your hands on all the sides thoroughly, and now again you can clean with the water. So kids, hope you understand why we should wash our hands. So from today, start washing your hands. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.